Hi, and welcome to Digital Literacy Simplified. In today's video, we'll learn the basics of files, folders, and drives and how they're used. Understanding files, folders, and drives is essential for navigating your computer efficiently. Let's get started. Windows File Explorer is the built-in file management tool in the Windows operating system. It allows you to browse, organize, and manage files, folders, and drives on your computer and connected devices. The File Explorer window shows folders and drives on the left-hand side, and in the center, the area there displays the contents of drives and folders and lets you organize your files and folders as needed. You'll notice on the bottom left-hand side under this PC, it shows the C drive, and it also shows a D drive. The D drive is a flash drive that has been plugged into a USB port. So what are drives? Drives are storage locations on your computer where files and folders are saved. They can be physical hardware like hard disk drive, your HDD, solid state drives, SSD, or external drives like USB flash drives. Each drive is typically assigned a letter like C, D, or E, making it easy to identify and access. The C drive, this is usually the primary drive where your operating system like Windows is installed, along with other program files and system settings. A D drive, for example, could be an additional drive that can be used for data storage, backups, or for specific applications. External drives can be connected via a USB cable and provide additional storage space. Folders are like virtual filing cabinets where you store files. They help you organize your files into categories, making it easier to find what you need. You can create as many folders as you want and even nest them within each other for better organization. Folders should be well named and organized to make it easy to find the files in those folders. In this example, we just did a right click on the desktop, which brought us up a context sensitive menu. We selected new, which then gave us another drop down, which we are able to create a new folder. Or for example, there's an option there to create a new Word document or a Microsoft PowerPoint or a new text document. Files can be documents, presentations, spreadsheets, or photos. They can be created, opened, edited, and deleted. Files should be well named and organized within folders for better file management. Each file has a name and an extension, like docx for Word documents or PNG for images. The extension tells you what type of file it is and the operating system what program to use. Let's look at some basic file and folder operations. To create a file or a folder, right-click in an empty space on the desktop, select New from the shortcut menu, and choose Folder or File options on that menu. When you create a new file or folder, be sure to give it a descriptive name. This makes it easier to find later. To rename a file or folder, right-click and select Properties to change the name. You can drag and drop files and folders to different locations, or you can right-click on the file or folder, select Cut, navigate to the desired location, right-click again, and select Paste. Be cautious and be sure when you delete files. You may not get them back once they're gone. To delete a file or folder, right-click on it and select Delete, or simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. Remember, deleted items go to the recycle bin, where you can recover them if needed. Use the search box in File Explorer window to quickly find files by name or type. You can also use filters to refine your search. We have a video on searching for files and folders. Check it out, it will be helpful. So here's some tips to organize your files and folders. Clearly name your files and folders so you know what information is contained in them. Without clear names on these, you'll be using the search feature more frequently than needed, or worse, you won't find what you're looking for. Group related files and folders. Well-structured folders will keep your files organized. Review and delete files you no longer need to stay organized. Do that regularly. In summary, by understanding and managing files and folders, you'll be able to navigate your computer more effectively, find what you need quickly, and keep your digital workspace organized. If you follow the tips I provided in this video, you may avoid the search headaches that many of us have experienced in the past. Hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and follow our channel for how-to videos to help you develop the digital literacy skills you need to succeed. Thanks for watching.